With the blessings of Guru Har Gobind Sahib, the magnificent edifice of GHG Khalsa College, Gurusar Sadhar, was established in 1948. The purpose behind its establishment has always been to cater to the higher educational needs of the rural population with motto simple living and high thinking. Presently, the great institution caters to more than 3,000 students, multidisciplinary courses at both graduated and postgraduate level. The lush green surrounding with a rich display of its flora present virtual feast to the eyes and synchronize with the word a wonder in rural setting. GHG Khalsa College of Pharmacy, housed in magnificent three-storied building and established in 1984 with the rare combination of life president late Shri Bakhtavar Singh Gill and founder principal Sardar Manjeet Singh Khatra. Professor Satvinder Kaur, PhD Pharmaceutical Chemistry, is leading this institution as principal. She has been part of this institution since 1992. All pharmaceutical courses, B Pharmacy, accredited by NBA, approved by AICTE and PCI, D Pharmacy, approved by Punjab Board Technical Education, M Pharmacy, approved by PCI and AICTE, have been offered par excellence. The present managerial and administrative team, headed by Sardar Manjeet Singh Gill, President Governing Council, is putting its earnest efforts to achieve the objective of the college. Nihang Shamsher Singh Hall was established in 1967. Nihang Shamsher Singh Ji, a great devotee of Guru Sahib, had a visionary dream and established a Gurmukhi Pathshala, which he used to call a college. In the remembrance of Nihang Shamsher Singh Ji, the auditorium was established in 1967. This institution have 7 student central library with 2 floors ready and functional. 1 floor has been exclusively marked for College of Pharmacy. GHG Khalsa College of Pharmacy has 18 modern and efficiently managed laboratories for conducting practical work. Pharmacognosy lab provide adequate facilities for morphological and microscopical studies of cells and tissues in different plant parts like stem, root, leaf, flowers, fruit and seeds of natural plants, identification and standardization of crude drugs. The poster entitled Vision and Mission brings into light the agenda of our college that is based upon to impart education to the students required for their holistic development. Here comes a list of intellectual minds who ceaselessly work for imparting education of these prestigious institution students. To provide zero ragging, this institute has a well-constituted anti-ragging cell which constantly monitor student activities. This institute has grievance redressal cell in place as required by AICTE regulations to bring development and responsibility and accountability attitude amongst all stakeholders to a harmonious educational atmosphere. Collection of supplies and equipment that is used to give medical treatment as first aid. Here, the students express their thoughts and views in the forms of posters, poems, paintings, and stories. Pharmaceutical analysis lab is well equipped with all the equipments like rotavapor, hot air oven, water bath, incubator, centrifuge, colorimeter, refractometer, rotary evaporator, deep freezer. The laboratory helps students acquainted with the modern methods of analysis and good laboratory practices. This lab plays a significant role in the quantitative and qualitative analysis of drugs in accordance with various pharmacopoeia. As pharmacy is technical course which deals with all aspects of drugs and machines, so all the laboratories are well equipped with latest types of equipments, instruments and machines. The college has a museum which display items from all disciplines of pharmacy. It includes samples of natural drugs, different dosage forms, various models, permanent slides, herbarium sheets, and apparatus also displayed in the museum. The exhibited pieces of the museum are used as a part of existing education program. Account section is one of the main organ of the department that operate as financial entity to carry out all financial activities of the concerned department. To facilitate our female students, a separate common room for girls designed to give a place to relax and study. Daily newspapers, magazines, periodicals are available for leisure reading. Bonded room is also available here in this institution. Library being one of the very important part of educational system, and it is the center of knowledge in the campus. The college library is rich in reading material with the total number of volumes 7156, including reference books 2150. Total titles are 2442. Number of ebooks 12426. The college library has also been subscribed with 23 e-journals with Wentham Science Pharmacy Collection, assessed since 2000, 8 international and 28 national journals. The facilities of plagiarism checker software and experimental pharmacology series, X-Pharma series software are made available in the college library. This college has separate reprographic section with internet and Wi-Fi facility. The air-conditioned computer lab provides access to sophisticated softwares and high-speed internet to the students as well as staff members. We also have well-stocked central room loaded with chemicals. This also called storeroom. Pharmacology lab consists of equipments to investigate the activity of drug samples such as rotarod, electroconvulsometer, analgesiometer, histamine and electrophotometers. Human anatomy and physiology of human body is also studied with the help of charts, models, including human skeleton and various types of apparatus. All the examination related activities carried from here, that is examination room. Each and every faculty member provided with separate faculty room. This institute has dedicated training and placement cell to support the student with respect to career counseling. This cell organizes on campus and off-campus interview for the students. To ensure safety and welfare of females, students and employees, the institute has active internal complaint committee on women's cell. The classrooms are spacious, well furnished and airy. Aseptic room provides dust and microbial-free environment to carry out production of all sterile products. The classrooms are spacious, well furnished, airy, each and every classroom equipped with projectors to assist in audio-visual mode of teaching. Here's a list of our well-placed alumni. In this laboratory, the experiments based on quantitative and qualitative determination of impurities present in various inorganic compounds. The pharmaceutical chemical is well ventilated and exhausted and also equipped with magnetic stirrer, hot plate, water bath, digital melting point determination and hot air on. Pharmacognosy Research Lab, where the research related to plants and their parts like stem, root, leaves, fruit, seeds are carried out here. This institution houses a fully air-conditioned, aesthetically designed seminar room or conference hall that equipped with LCD projectors, overhead projector, whiteboard, sound system and Wi-Fi facility. Of having sophisticated analytical instruments like HPTLC, HPLC, FTIR, double beam spectrophotometer and projection microscope. Cafeteria specifically designed for girls to enjoy eatables with self-service is provided here with ultra-modern facilities and utmost hygienicity. Girls' common room is spacious, airy, with various indoor game facilities like table tennis, carom, and chess. Keeping in view a need of providing separate common room for boys, its setup here enable them to sit, relax, and enjoy. The animal house is well constructed, well equipped, and conforms to all the specifications laid down by CPCSCA, Government of India, having facility of housing different species of animals. Special emphasis is laid on providing safe and clean working environment in the animal house. Our college has a medicinal plant garden which is well established, in which we have 101 plants. These include both medicinal and aromatic plants. Medicinal plant garden also has rare plants like ginkgo biloba, passiflora, gugul, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. The medicinal value of the plants lies in some chemical substances that produce a definite physiological actions on the human body. There is also a greenhouse in the medicinal garden of our college, which is well equipped. It prevents plants from scorching heat of sun in summers. "24-hour ATM facility has also been provided at college campus for the convenience of students. The college has a separate boys' hostel with 220 seats capacity to accommodate students who come from the different parts of state. The total hostel has a separate dining hall, common room, and washroom area within the hostel. The rooms are well furnished. The mess is operated thrice a day with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Nihang Shamsher Singh Ji Stadium is venue for mostly outdoor sports activities, concerts, or other events that carried out in our institution. The multipurpose indoor gymnasium has designed to accommodate wide range of scheduled and free play activities like indoor volleyball, basketball, and variety of others. Here's the list of courses offered by our group of GHG Khalsa institutions. The shooting range in our institution designed to international standards with a capacity of 25 targets by architect Ranjit P. John will serve as a gateway of opportunities for the youth of Ludhiana and neighboring districts and would thus enhance the stature of the region to a world-class level. Ideal separate hostel with ultra-modern facilities for girls with 300 seat capacity are available in the campus. The facilities include common room having indoor games, TV with multiple channel subscription, leading dailies and magazines, 24-hour power backup, hygienic kitchen and dining hall, heavy duty generator set, in-house canteen and tuck shop, in-house prayer hall, badminton, volleyball and basketball courts, cyber cafe with high-speed internet connection to work on internet after study hours, clean and airy rooms offer bed, wardrobe, study table, chair with neat, clean and dry attached washrooms, daycare center for the children of teaching, non-teaching staff is functional here to provide the facility to keep their children under good care during the working hours inside the campus. Daycare center is functional here. The daycare center is equipped with air conditioner, a kitchen and all the basic amenities like refrigerator, microwave and water purifier. A medical room with paramedical services is available in girls' hostel with staff nurse on 24 hours duty, well-furnished guest visitor room is also available there for the visitors